how to log in or sign in to your Hulu account. So let's get started. First thing first, go to the official Hulu website using your web browser. After that, simply tap on the first option available there. Then look for the login button available on the top right corner of the Hulu homepage. Now after you tap on the login option available there, all you have to do is type down the email address that is associated with your Hulu account, or if you have not created any account yet, then in order to create your account as well, you'll have to type down your any email addresses. After that, enter the password you set up when you created your Hulu account, or if you have not created any, then you'll have to choose password and complete the rest of the informations and simply tap on the agree and continue option available there. Once logged in, you should have access to your Hulu account where you can manage your subscription, browse content, and start streaming. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.